Just a warning, OEM Honda parts will get destroyed in this video. Greetings. Hey, I am outside, as you can tell. I have a headlamp on, not blinding you. I'm sitting in the old CRV, figuring out what to do with gauges and the AM wideband, boost gauge, oil, pressure, and coolant temp gauges. So I think I'm going to take out the CD player area, maybe make a cool metal tray or pan or something, and take out all the defrost and all that junk, because it doesn't work and the AC doesn't work since I already took all of that out. Maybe we can make something cool. Alright guys, this is the culprit. I want to take this out. This does not work. This does not work. That does not work. Who knows if those work? Probably not. So I'm going to pop this out, take this out, and I'll see if I can make something to fit in that spot. Also, we don't need a glove box. I don't need airbags. I don't want them in the car. Just in case we crash, they're not going off in my face. I'll probably pull the fuse, so the steering wheel one's good. But we're going to take this apart, and we're going to fix her up, and we're going to get it ready to race. Hot dang! Alright guys, this is the proper way to remove this stupid radio. This is the proper way to remove this stupid radio. With this. I've been prying. I thought there was these stupid little clips back here. You can see it in the crack there. The little white clip. I thought those were clips. I thought it just popped in. Popped out. I don't see any screws back here. I don't see any screw holes. I can't get it to come out. I'm about sick of it. It mostly doesn't work up here. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done with it. I'm just gonna beat the crap out of it. I will make it come out one way or the other. This will be gone so we can do cooler things. So let's beat the crap out of it, remove it the correct way with all these awesome tools down here, and it'll make our lives much happier and easier. The true meaning of dead blow. Little sledgy sawzall. Something will win. What will be the victor? Proper radio removal 101. I need more battery. Alright, here's some of the shrapnel glass aftermath of beating the crap out of this thing. Sorry for needing these parts. They're probably no good now. Didn't work anyways. And old Sledgy's getting it. There's these stupid brackets here. I'm gonna get the saw. I'm gonna cut them out. Just gonna cut them out. I ran out of battery. I'm gonna go get a battery. We'll be done with this stupid thing. New battery. Solid ball. March 99? Nope, March 98. You suck. Alright, well that includes radio removal 101. You pick what weapon you want to use and you can use it. And then you can teach you who's boss. Stupid thing. You could probably take out the bottle panel, take out the plastic around here, not the foam stuff, and get to those screws that were on here holding the radio in, because it was like really attached to the radio. That's probably the real way to do it, but that's no fun. We did it the fun way. Alright guys, in the container with the engine. Started to get cold outside, started to get late, worked all day, worked on the house. House is coming along, good progress. If you want to see it, keep watching. Just little clips of what I've been up to with the house. So I got a lot of parts over there. I'm looking at them. Ready to go on this block. It's not as cold as the Midwest right now. They're an Arctic tundra. It's getting ready to rain Friday, Saturday. No, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. So a whole bunch of days in a row, which kind of sucks. I have a little canopy tent that I will try to use on Saturday. Let me get over by the heat. It's way warm right over here. That I can hopefully put over the car. I gotta get the exhaust off still. I want to take the intake off so I can port match better with the head. So I'm going to use this head that's off this block. And Neo Garage, shout out to them. Website in the description below. Supporting this build, supporting the build, supporting the YouTube challenge. So we got dual valve springs and titanium retainers coming for this head. We got brand new stem seals. We got all the valves lapped, ready to go. I just need to clean the head. I got a new head gasket, thermal intake gaskets, and a couple head gaskets, ARP head studs. What else we got for the head? New cam seal, cool silvery cap thing. New valve cover gasket. I got new timing, new water pump, new seals, new oil pan gasket. The bung did come in, so we can weld that on the oil pan. Get that sorted. And man, there's all kinds of stuff. I got a breather. I got the block breather with the 10 and fittings that will go to a dual kind of ported kitchen can with the block breather stuff. Hopefully that'll help with blow by. And we're going to run the stock block that's in the car. I got the block guard that I'll put into that car. Get that ready, put it in that car, make it awesome. And I got the clutch to put in. I need to take off the exhaust because I'm going to cut a hole in the hood and exit everything out of the hood, because that's what race cars do. Or maybe I'll turn it and shoot out of the front bumper, side of the bumper or something, I don't know. And I gotta do a single core radiator that I'm gonna adapt and mount in there one way or the other. So there's so much going on with this build. There's a lot to do. Make sure you don't miss any. So like and subscribe. There's definitely more to come. This is a DIY backyard shenanigans, and you can be doing it too. So I encourage you to do it. Do what you want to do. Have fun with it. Hopefully, we got 3 weeks to get this thing together, and the stupid weather's not helping. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. There's definitely more to come. Don't miss it. After the Honda YouTube challenge, the S2000 comes back, and the Volkswagen that I'm trying to get done for my mom. And we can take it to her across the country, give it to her as the final surprise gift, all finished and awesome and nice. And the S2000, we can get going, get it rolling, get it driving again. I got all those pieces, then work on the body, making it awesome and making it drift and rip and high rev and be awesome.